How to make Facebook professional account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update your Facebook app. To do that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on three dots. You'll be directed to profile settings page. Now navigate to the option turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. Click on next. Click on next for all these options. Now here choose your default audience and click next. Click on confirm. Click on next again. Click on go to professional dashboard. Just with that you have updated your Facebook to the professional account. Now I can head back. Now I can navigate to your profile page. It's gonna appear in this way. So this is how you can easily make Facebook professional account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.